As an account owner or publisher, Quick Post Publishing allows you to create content right within the employee app. Underneath the banner graphic is the Quick Post area. Simply click here to begin creating a post. First, select the channel you want to post to from the drop-down menu. The default run date for the post is set as now. If you would like to have the post run at a particular time and date, you can change these dates here, or you can click on the settings menu and change it here. Also, in the settings menu, you can change the author of the post, add any tags, and also enable or disable social reactions. Once you have made your selections, click the back arrow. Next, add the title of the post in the "What do you want to share" text box. In the larger text box, add your message. There are several formatting options available in the menu bar. You can also add a photo, a video, or even a file to your post. When completed, click Post.